Hi guys, this is Manav. Welcome to Movie Shovie. WandaVision started slow but gained momentum after the 5th episode, and the way it has concluded with the 9th episode, it is just mind blowing. Like MC's other movies, even WandaVision rested on an important principle of emotions and sacrifice of a hero for humankind. WandaVision also worked with MC's fan because during the 9th episode, we had a lot of questions which became the talking point and the discussion points with all the fans. It started with why a sitcom in black and white, then who has created this imaginary world of Westview. Thirdly, is Wanda a villain as she forcefully hallucinated people to stay in her version of Westview? Fourthly, who's Agent Monica Rambeau and what are her powers? Fifthly, why was Hayward trying to resurrect Vision? Sixthly, who's Agnes and why her magic always overshadows Wanda's magic? Seventh, who is Scarlet Witch? Eighth important question, and by the time we reach the 9th episode, will Wanda choose her fictitiously created family or will free Westview people from the spell? 9th, what will happen to the White Vision? Who is he? And finally, the 10th, will there be a season 2 that is Wanda turning into Scarlet Witch in full form? In season 1, we see that she has gained all the knowledge from the legendary book. Season 9 highlights the true nature of Wanda to save people and that connects with the people best. Red Vision and White Vision's fight paved way for more possible stories that we will see in coming episodes maybe. And yes, Scarlet Witch and her kids and White Vision has featured many a times in the comic book originally, so a lot can be expected from other seasons. Firstly, I will give the series a A and not an A plus because there is still one downside. The release strategy isn't great. Technically, a 20 to 25 minute episode each week is a big gap, and we tend to lose concentration and we tend to forget a lot of details. There could have been a better release strategy with 1 hour long episodes and turning this into a mini limited series. Secondly, India is a very big market and not releasing this series in Hindi version is almost criminal. They need to plan better. Otherwise, it's a refreshing treatment of a superhero film for all age groups, and there is a big thumbs up. So MC, we want more such series soon. So stay connected for more such reviews and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon with all notifications on. See you. Bye.